Greetings all, my name is JD from Studio 2105. Welcome back to Direct Access MixStream. In this video, I've got a special announcement to make. If you are an independent artist or a band, I've got very exciting news for you. So stay tuned and watch till the end of this video for more details. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you, a big shout out and thank you to all the patrons who help to support the channel financially. If you're not yet a subscriber, please do click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell as well so that you'll be updated every time I put out a brand new video. Sign up for the email list, and if you want to become a patron, head on down to www.patreon.com/studio2105. Let's get right down to the announcement. In 2018, I held the very first Direct Access Music Production Workshop, followed by the second one in 2019, and in 2020, despite the pandemic, we managed to pull off another workshop. This is thanks to Colin Chin, my business manager, Anthony Yap and his magnificent team at Big A Productions, and the support of Chandana, right, the National Cultural Development Agency. All the hard work paid off, and to show our thanks, we've put up the entire contents of the workshop here on this YouTube playlist, so do check it out. We decided to take a break for 2021, and instead we took a little bit of time, right, and instead sat down and planned on how we were going to elevate the whole program. The core mission of the entire Direct Access MixStream program has always been to support the independent music scene, right, either by spotlighting indie acts and new music, right, through the live streams I've been doing, or by motivating bands to write and submit their original material to be chosen for the workshop. This year in 2022, I'm extremely proud to announce that the Direct Access Music Production Workshop is back, and with a brand new campaign called Get Rekt. Once again, I want to give a big shout out to Colin and his team, and this time our special partners Anggok Studio and Uber Tickets. Get Rekt is a 2-day long live audition event for unsigned independent acts from Malaysia with original material. Each band will have 1 hour and up to 3 takes with a professional crew of videographers and sound engineers. Every band that takes part will get to take home a copy of their audition. That means they'll get the video footage as well as the audio mixdown of their performance. This means that even if your band did not win, you still get to go home with the audition recordings. A panel of judges from the industry, including myself, will go through all your submissions and will decide on one winner. And this winner will receive the opportunity to have their song produced, recorded, mixed and mastered by me, all for free. Of course, they will also be the band that's going to be featured in the Direct Access Music Production Workshop, and all the band members will get to experience what it's like to work in a professional studio under the guidance of a producer and an engineer. This entire price package is worth in the market a total of 5,000 ringgit. We've been working on this for months, and I can't wait for all of you to sign up and to be a part of this. Signing up is easy. Head on down to the website getrekt.com. Link is also going to be down in the description below, and tell all your musician friends, okay, about this brand new exciting opportunity. Good luck. I hope to see you at the auditions, and I'm really looking forward to working with the winning band. So if you found this video useful and informative, please do leave a like. Please do share this with your friends. Spread the word about Get Rekt. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback or comments, please do leave them down below as well. See you at Get Rekt. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. Happy recording and mixing. Peace, love and music.